Because even before you disappeared, no, I think after you disappeared, you started doing some producing on your label, Prominent.
Yes. I produce a lot of songs and people don't even know me produce them because as I tell him, he's a low profile person. You understand?
Tell us about some of the songs you produced.
I produce Top a Top. You know that Bounty Killer? Boy, this Top a Top. I'm a produce Cobra. Them draw me out again. Anthony Cruz, Capleton. Now escape. Stand up in the fire, make it burn off your face. I mean produce that. I mean produce Cannot Living in the Danger Zone and the Battlefield. Me produce that. Tell him send me now boots now. I mean produce all of them songs there.
You produce all of those, boss?
Yes, man. Me have the master for them right outside of my house.
What made you go from singing to engineering to actually wanting to start producing?
Well, that thing there in me, you know. Because if me hear you sing and you touch a flat note, me know right away. I see a song, you see, song no hit unless you see the first 30, 40 seconds of the song of that hit all number one song. Because people now wait to hear the 2 minute part. The 2 minute part can go on. But you see the first 30 seconds, and this song. Hit the song. So when me I make song, I saw me make song.
And did the artists embrace you like Capleton and Killer again? Because you guys work so much to really say, okay,
yes,
now as a producer.
You see, Killer, when me I record Top a Top, Killer come with him friend at studio. And he say, give me a rundown. And when he run down, I tell my youth, record. And when he done, I say, Killer, I done, he must say, wait up, done. All right. Are you name Colin Roach? Anything you say. And he gone home. And this song a big hit song. You know what I mean? Because Killer know say, anytime he sit down around the board, a different thing. You understand me? Every artist believe in me. Cobra, the whole of them.
How did you link with Cobra and Capleton? Because those weren't really Jammy's artists at that time there.
No, you see Prophet now. Me and Capleton I come from far, you know. Yeah. And the first time I go Capleton go Canada, and me and him go. An African Star.
African Star, yes.
Right. First time.
Who was you, Capleton, and Florigan, I think that was on the show.
Ninja man.
Yes.
Yeah, man. So me and Capleton are a friend from them time. And so you see in 98, me start move on Capleton because at the time, him manager gonna live. And we got some fest and he mash it up down there. And me and him start move. Every time we show a fire and me and him come. And I mean create the lighter with him and I fire all these things. I don't know if you ever see one of them lighter with him in I fire. I mean, my idea. On a promotional level. Yeah, so me and Capleton bona fide.
This was from way back then.
Yes, man, from way back. Capleton.
And then that's how you got to produce the songs. Even Cobra, how did you connect with Cobra?
Well, Cobra used to come and jam it, you know. And at the time, I run the thing. Ask anyone, I run jammy. And me, I run around there. When me I record. And Cobra love when me set up the playback like a dance with their mix while I'm a DJ. Cobra love that. So he always want me record him. You understand? But it's like a dance him there. Because when we usually do the playback we're going on the earphone, we set it up like dance and mix the thing in the ear so him can get the vibes. You understand?
So it's not mixing on the record. It's just he's hearing the mix, but it's not actually mixing on the record, guy.
Right. Him hearing the mix, but we're around the ear it's straight. You know what I mean? But me a mixing I can use one finger mix.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.